I'm Maddie.
And I'm Ava.
And welcome back to Tsunami Thursday.
Before we get started, let's see just how cold it is outside.
Thanks, Ava and Maddie. Hi, my name is TJ Hoskins with the weather. Hope you prepare for fall because it's here and hitting hard. It is currently sunny with the temperature being 39 degrees and the highs being 48 at 3. So stay bundled up. I'm TJ Hoskins with WTHS-AM weather.
Thanks, TJ.
Varsity basketball played on Tuesday.
Both teams pulled in a win. The boys won with a score of 72-40 against Shannon.
The girls also scored a win, with the final score being 64-47.
So come out and support Golden Wave basketball next week in the Dome.
Also, bowling has a tournament at 4 o'clock today at Event Zona, so be sure to support the bowling team as well.
Varsity soccer plays South Hills tonight at 5 and 7 p.m.
Varsity football faces off against South Panola in the first round of playoffs tomorrow at 7 p.m. at South Panola's field. So be sure to come out and cheer on our football team.
An honorable mention for the sports department, former THS player Tan White had a jersey retirement ceremony Tuesday.
White was a graduate of 2001 from Tupelo High School, a 3-time Dandy Dozen winner, and a second overall WNBA draftee. Her number, 20, was retired at the basketball game on Tuesday.
Well, that's all we have for you on this Tsunami Thursday. I'm Maddie.
And I'm Ava. We hope to see you next week.
Bye.
Bye.